how to build momentum while we enjoy the summer. Because let's face it, the reason why we do this business is the personal freedom, so we can actually be with our families when we want to. However, it is much easier to keep the momentum than to start it. So how to keep it, how to catch this summer, so you don't feel when the fall comes that you've lost those months and you actually have the momentum going and results coming in. I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to give you tips how to build and keep your momentum, get results in, and make this summer count. Welcome back to another video. Lenka gets back from growwithlenka.com, helping you hit your online breakthrough. Let's talk summer. That's what we're in the middle of. It's almost mid of July, and I don't want you to feel that you're sleeping, that you are stuck, you are kind of paralyzed because nobody's responding to you. Everyone's gone, everyone's taking vacation, everyone's slowed down. Nobody's really building actively and has that drive that they have before the summer started. That's just an excuse that you may be telling yourself why you are allowed to slow down as well. Remember, momentum is much easier to keep going than to start it from scratch. And I don't want to be hard on you because yes, we want to spend time with our families. We want to enjoy those hot summer months, but it's like any other vacation. Then fall goes, there is Thanksgiving, there are Christmas or Hanukkah, whatever that you're celebrating. There's always something that comes along the way, and there's a reason why not to build. So even with your current existing team, you don't want to be too hard on people so they can actually enjoy their friends and families, to have that quiet moment for vacation where they will unplug and recharge. You may take those time off, but when you do come back, you want to work hard again. This is the best time to actually reconnect with a lot of people. Not with a commission breath, not with I want to make a sale breath. Genuine human being relationship connection. You want to be interested. How's the family? What's new? What's exciting ahead of you? Even with your current team, you want to be really genuinely interested in that person. What are their next goals? What's happening in their life? Everyone has something happening in their life. So reach out to your team and be personal. Get to know that person even more, even if you're connected on daily basis and you work hand in hand and you have that team going together. You may use this time when people actually do slow down, they do, to reconnect on the personal level and build deeper relationship, make new connections, new friends, with the goal to getting to really know them. And I can guarantee you most of the sales you will do today or in a few months is because of work you have done before. A lot of times when people reach out to me, I want to do business with you, it's because of the work I have done months ago or weeks ago. If I haven't done that work, they wouldn't reach out to me because they have been following me for quite some time. And now it's good timing. Now they're ready to make the next step. You may not have had a conversation before. Maybe this is the first time we talk to each other and we're actually making business on that first conversation. However, it is based on the work I've done before. And I can guarantee you that will be with most of the clients and customers and team members you're gonna have. So what's also helpful is planning your calendar. If you want to crush your fall and your Christmas and end of year time period, plan the work right now. Plan your campaigns, plan your content. You can pre-record a lot of the videos, do blog posts for weeks ahead. So the moment where you should be focusing on sales and on your customers and on your team and really crush that momentum, go on blitz, all of your content is already done. Now is the time where you can prepare it. It's not like you're gonna wake up in October, I should do something for November so I actually have a good month. It doesn't work that way. So you can plan all of that calendar right now. Another thing that helps a lot, especially for this short period of times where there are some kind of celebration like 4th of July, where people take 2-3 days off for their families, it's good when you go back to these people and reassure them for that mission that you are on. Bring people on board again. They want to hear your voice. They want to hear that you were running again, because the speed of your leader is the speed of the team. So when they hear your voice, that you're in and you're ready to go again, that you're doing this and you're not losing that goal and you're all in, they hear the excitement in your voice and in your actions, it's gonna bring them back into action again. And of course, people are following and joining people and movements where there's action, where they can feel the enthusiasm and drive. And I've learned this the hard way, but Eric Worre always said that it's easier to recruit 20 people in 30 days than 20 people in a year, when you do it slowly, one by one. And I've tried that the hard way. I did both, kind of. I did kind of the slow one and the fast one, and I can guarantee you, you can do the fast one. You can. It's so much easier for you when you have that momentum going, when you have so many leads coming in that you have hard time actually keeping up. You don't know who to answer first when your messenger is so full that there's always tons of messages you need to get back to and follow up with so many people. When that is happening, it's so much easier to build a team of 20 in a month than to do it slowly, one by one. And those people, they don't feel the action, they don't see themselves really making it, that it's gonna take them forever. You wouldn't want to join such a person. So I want you this summer to focus really on the growth. Everything, your brand, your team. If 30 days is too long time, do a 10-day blitz, but do it every month. If you haven't done one in June, do one in July, in August, in September, and run 10-day blitz with your team, with your people. Include your customers. Ask them for some referral posts so they can share their testimonials and experience with products, and connect them with you as someone who can give them more information on the product, what it is and how it works. Maybe you have some kind of products that can be tied to a summer promotions that you can run right now. Run some challenges, 5-day challenges, something that will help you to get people in during these summer months interested in taking part in that campaign. And it's always good if you shock people, if it's something big, if it's huge, if a lot of people get in. That's why the fast, bigger action brings so much more attention. It wakes up people. Because when that ends, you are proud of yourself, proud that you took action, proud you didn't waste these 3 months of beautiful weather and you got the work done, and the momentum is continuing into fall. You can focus on action and sales at the end of the year because everything is already prepared. So I hope these tips were helpful. Are you sleeping or are you taking action? Let us know below in the comments, and I'm looking forward to talking to you in next video.